Hi and welcome to Computer Solutions' brand new YouTube channel called CSE Tech 60, where we have taken up the challenge to make you all learn Microsoft and other techs in just few minutes. So in this first video, we're gonna show you how to sync Outlook contacts to Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First, open your Outlook app and go to the account that you want to add your contact, and then go to the people's icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on the new contact to create one and start filling up the information. So the full name would be Julie Eggers. Company name, I would take it as Computer Solutions Sales. Job title will be HR. The email ID is julie@computersolutionssales.com. And the number, I would save it as this. So the last step is click on save and close. So now how do you verify if the new contact was successfully added in Teams or not? Open your Teams app. You can open it as your desktop application or you can open it on your web. Well, I'm using the web version for now. So the next step is go to the calls tab and then click on it. And the next step is click the contact tab. Please note that you need to refresh the Teams app to apply and reflect the changes. And in a few seconds, you can see the new contact that you have added in Outlook has been populated here. So that's it. That's how you can sync an Outlook contact to Teams. Hope you guys find this video useful. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button and like and share the video. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.